So here's how you can change DNS server in your Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the search bar and search for view network connections. View network connections. Here you go. You need to open that up. As you can see, here is the thing. Then you need to double tap on it, and this menu will open up. Then again go with the properties. Then now you need to scroll it down until you find the Internet Protocol version 4. Then double click on it and this will open up this dialog box. So from here you need to select this one. Use the following DNS server addresses. You need to select this one. Now you need to type in 8, 8, 8 and 8, and for alternate DNS you need to type in 8844. That's it. That's pretty much it. That's how you can change the DNS server to quadruple 8. Alright, so hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you very next time.